whole chicken mandi in air fryer. I'll give you the perfect recipe, perfect ingredients. You can make this recipe in your air fryer in an hour. It's gonna be so awesome, man. You'll be happy about it. So I have a whole chicken right here. I've told the butcher to slice the chicken from the middle. It's a skinless chicken. You can use a skin on chicken as well. So here's our beautiful chicken. First thing first, we'll make some cuts on our chicken. So this is what we will do first. Just like that, just rough cuts on it so all the marination, all the seasoning gets in here. All right, first half is done. This is the second half. Once you get the whole chicken, do it like this. For the mandi, usually it goes with the chicken with the bone. Okay, so when you're making this recipe, try to get the chicken with the bone, a whole chicken. Okay, look at these beautiful cuts. So looking good, huh? So let's grab this and put it right here. Now what we will do, we'll marinate this for the air fryer, and it will be a perfect marinade for it. So this is a dry spice blender right here. We will take 2 tablespoons of cumin. I have measured all these guys, so if I tell you I'm putting this much amount, this much tablespoons, I have measured it already. 2 tablespoons of cumin. All right, 1 whole sun-dried lemon, it goes in here. Raw cinnamon, use at least 1 whole tablespoon of cinnamon. First we are making the powder of our, all the way from the scratch. This is coriander, this is crushed one. We will take 2 tablespoons of coriander. We will take 1 tablespoon of cloves. If you have the, if you have the clove powder, you can definitely use that. This is red chili powder, and we will add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder right here. I put 2 tablespoons of red chili powder in this cup. So this is, I'm doing the rough count, this is 1, so 1 left behind. This is turmeric, right? We will take 1 tablespoon of turmeric and we will put it right here. I'm using pink salt. 1 whole tablespoon of pink salt goes in here. So here you go, rough count. Wonderful, right? Let's blend this and get our fresh powder of all these delicious ingredients what we need for this our whole chicken mandi in our air fryer. Right, so our beautiful dry spice powder is ready. Look at this. This is the whole magic. This will create the whole magic. Okay, let's just land everything right here on top. Okay, just like that. You guys know the count already. This is 1 whole cup of olive oil. If you want to go by the tablespoon, put at least 15 tablespoons of olive oil. Here you go. It goes all on top. It's okay if it's extra. We just have to lubricate our beautiful chicken right now. Then we grab another glove. Now just massage everything. I have used extra oil for now because it's gonna help for our chicken, for our marinade, to go evenly on top of it. Man, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Whole chicken, Arabic style, marinated right here. All right, you want to taste test your spices, you can definitely do it right now. What I'll taste test the oil. All right, it's all marinated wonderfully. Delicious flavor. Remember I told you I have some cardamom? Just sprinkle some cardamom right on top. You don't have to make powder out of it. It's already crushed one. If you don't have the crushed one, then definitely put at least 3 cardamoms in here. Let's focus here on our air fryer. All right, we'll turn it on. We'll put it on air crisp. Okay, let me put the temperature 300. Okay, 300. Now time is 1 hour for it. All right, it's preheating. This recipe is so easy. You guys saw it, right? I did everything right in front of you in our air fryer. All right, our air fryer is ready. Let's grab our beautiful half chicken mandi and let's land it right here. Last touch of all the seasoning. Okay, and here you go. We'll land this right here. Perfecto. All right, let's cover this and we will check back without touching this guy after an whole hour. You guys see that? I'll see you after an hour. I will have some brown rice with that. It's been exactly whole hour for our chicken mandi. Look at this, guys. The beep was for this air fryer. OMG, man. OMG. This is looking so good. Let me grab this out, put it right here. These are our brown rice. It has cumin, it has some salt, and it has some bay leaves. I've cooked these rice in a rice cooker. This is tomato sauce, tomato chutney, or tomato salsa, or whatever you call, but this is Arabic dish. Okay, so brown rice, some tomato, some garlic, some jalapeno, some salt, and some lemon. It's all blended. This is the salad, regular salad, some jalapenos, some onions, some lemon. All right, this is the moment of truth. All right, it's been a whole hour. Oh, I'm gonna break this. I hope I can pick this guy up easily. If it breaks, I mean, it's fine. I mean, the breast is intact, the leg is intact. All right, let me just land this whole dish, whole half chicken right here. It's all cooked, man. It's been a whole hour. This is other half. Let me land this right here. Look at this beauty. You can cook this in your house, in your kitchen, just like that, just the way I showed you. It's literally 11 ingredients, including chicken, right here. This is the moment of truth. All right, guys, this is the whole chicken breast. Well, my friend, it's fully seasoned. Oh, look at this. Let's get some sauce. Wow. Here you go. Just a wow recipe. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe the channel. Join Hungry family. You're gonna love it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, bye bye now. Make this chicken mandi, man. Ooh.